Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat Namaste. I hope that you all are doing well. This is going to be your timeless readings like beyond. Okay. So there's one card, as you can see. Relax. And here we go. I heard half HALF will be full, FULL. So maybe this is connected with certain phases of the moon. If it is, something might have happened around that phase. To keep it more simple, the direct message from the other world, the spirit world, they're trying to say that whatever you felt was half will no longer be half. Decision, choice, or certain matter here that was in the half of decision, like I have to be here or there kind of energy, like between two places, between two energies. This is all the matter when it is especially connected with the moon. I'm getting that energy of moon, so maybe it has to do with something with the moon phase, with certain connection in your life. Whatever is, it's going to be complete. Okay, I also get this vibe of like maybe there's a Piscean involved. Okay, so something which is left or was half is going to be full. When I say this, it is about decision, it is about moral of the story as well. We're going to start reading for you. I've been shuffling this deck. You have 10 of Cups energy, which is you're going to feel complete, and I feel like complete in a way you're going to feel more light. You know, it's like the energy of like feeling more light-hearted, being with right energies, in the right mode. So basically, you're in the right mode, which is good. Like emotionally, yes, you're on the right track. That kind of energy is coming, guys. Okay, let me see. So let's start with this, or maybe someone's arrival. Why I'm saying that? Because I know, of course, this card, but let's see together with you again. This is number 16 and stars, 6 of Cups energy. So whatever was half, like something that was not clear to you, will be cleared out to you. Some situation will happen that will make it clear, and it's like the other word is coming, like it's obvious. Okay, something will be obvious to you, no longer in the mid of like linger on or something, why I'm not being able to take decision kind of energy. Nothing will be like that. Okay, so basically when you look at this card, this is all like you are going to shine bright. Okay, you're going to see clear things, you're going to have your intuition very strong, you'll have your decisions very strong in this time frame. It's also giving me that energy of like orbs around, you know, very pious ambience, and like the spirit world is protecting you, guiding you, giving you the pathway, which is very important. Because once we are, you know, we feel like blocked, we don't know where we are heading, then that is the problem. If you are moving, then it is good, because when water gets collected at one place, it's going to you know, have problems there, the diseases, the mosquitoes and flies and all that stuff that you don't want to see. But when you allow water to flow, okay, and when the water is being allowed, basically there is no blockage, which means you're healing, you're cleansing, that kind of energy. Okay, now you have stars. This is from the tarot world, the star card. It's your energy. It's like you're forgiving, you're forgiven, balancing out things, and that's it. I mean, that kind of energy is coming. Whatever was half is going to be full. So your cleansing is full, your healing is full, you were feeling stuck in something, you were not clear about something, so something was suspicious. It's not going to be anymore like that. Okay, of course your emotions will be having control over the matter, and that is for sure. Let me see more. And you have also the energy beneath, which is number 1. It's like the time to start something. It's also arrival, as I said, and because I saw this rider obviously, and I feel with looking at the rider, you have this energy of arrival. 9 of Cups, like love is coming. I'm hearing coming back. Reason, you have 6 of Cups vibe of resurgence. Okay, so maybe someone is approaching again to you, or they will. Okay, this rider is coming all the way to catch up with you, or this person may be new, but in this lifetime you're meeting them, and you're going to feel that energy of like, okay, I've met them. So many of us are going through the changes emotionally. We are going through the changes of love matters, and we are loving. Some of us don't, we are not interested, but want to be single but with our family, or just it's about happiness, okay, like basically feeling light. Someone is watching you and they are going to contact you very soon. They're going to land. So basically maybe someone maybe someone is taking flight and landing. Maybe it is actually on the horse, and like it's giving me the vibe of like Eternal Monarch and you know, that Korean drama. And yeah, that was amazing. Like it's between the worlds and what we are supposed to do and what is going to happen. So can you give us a little bit here for Aquarius? It's going to be the matter of the time when you're supposed to, I feel like it's like the energy of like people are going to talk. With whom? I cannot see that person obviously, but right now I can say that there is someone, okay, there is someone. Like I can have that, I can feel that, like the feeling is all about someone's presence around. Look, someone's presence here, especially with the Gentleman, Ace of Hearts. Look at the card. This is so something that is so obvious. Like someone is looking forward. They land and they walk up to you, kind of energy. Now these are general vibes. You can always reverse it, guys. And this is like, it's a homecoming. It's kind of someone who does want to see you. They want to meet you. They want to contact you. Maybe real time. Even this is House King of Cups energy. So maybe Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Someone is traveling right now. They might be into business, corporations, somewhere they team up, maybe somewhere they own something. This person is quite good in their work. Like I would say, it's apart from being wealthy, I want to say like they are very specialized in their work. And the person who knows their work well, they can earn it from any scratch, right? So that kind of energy is definitely, apart from that, it's Fish, King of Pentacles. So maybe Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn vibe. But this person, whoever the sign is, it doesn't matter. More is the message. I feel like they are traveling. They are on migration. They might be shifting. They might be coming towards this flow. It's also they are wealthy. I feel that energy. Lilies. It's also like kind of like I heard counterpart. Like if that makes sense here. It's someone you're going to appreciate having them in your life, and they're going to appreciate you in their life. Okay. So with the Lilies, King of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe. But if you fix this with your vibe, then it is something that your frog is coming, kind of like your prince is coming, okay? And someone may be realizing, oh my God, I am the person's prince or the princess, however it fits you. It's just about one kiss, and then everything is going to be coming in reality, which is not. Then again, it is about something that it was supposed to be. Like it's an eternal kind of energy is coming, okay? We people are supposed to be. It was destined. All this time, I cannot do anything. I can read for you, okay, in this matter. But when it is supposed to be, no one can control it, and it is going to happen. I feel that kind of energy. I also see as in general your own success, your own charm, stars around, happy times, joyous times, okay? Something is growing and it is like so beautiful that I cannot exaggerate on it. It's all connected with the water emotional vibe here, and it is all connected with the person who is coming. So some of you may fix this as a gentleman here, as per Lenormand's, you know, but I think like this is the way. I think like this is the way you're going to find your way. Like it's like, what's your type? It's not nothing is my type, kind of like I cannot explain it. If we vibe, okay? If we vibe, we vibe. Show me loyalty and sincerity. I feel loyal love is entering in your life. It's like it was not coming because it was not supposed to then, but now it is, okay? Apart from Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, again, this is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Someone is learning, was learning, and is becoming, and they are becoming, and they became. So, became, kind of, I hope the gender degree is not wrong. If wrong, don't get offended, okay? But this is something, began. Okay, now I'm learning degrees over here. Oh, God, what is happening? Whatever began is now reaching to the position of like I have the hold, What is coming for Aquarius? I think people are more interested in knowing like what is going to happen, of course, because we have curiosity, always connected with the future. Even me, of course, yeah. Two of Swords energy. I heard the picture is going to be clear, okay? Something will cross your path. Maybe this is the person you haven't talked in a while. Maybe this is a whole new person and you don't know what to do about this matter. Maybe this person is thinking about how to contact you. Let's see. Whatever is half, whatever is 50-50, half is going to be full. Decision is going to be full. No more crossroads, no more confusion. You have Six of Cups energy, honey. That is assurance of someone's coming again, back again, wanting you back. Now, what was the situation? It all depends. Please be responsible for your karma. Take your actions as per required, okay? I'm just a messenger. With Six of Cups energy, there is someone who is coming, resurgence. Past vibe, past energy, past person. Maybe from some other lifetime, some like just Eternal Monarch, kind of like the King K-drama, it was destined. No matter what timeline we are in, parallel worlds we are in, we're supposed to be skipping the moments. Someone may end up saying we skipped a lot of moments, huh? So it is something renovation. Renovation is coming in your love life. Let's paint it. Let's bond it. Someone is about to give you even lilies or certain flower which is very pious. It's not like just a red rose, It's something that they know and you know that you people like one another and love one another. And it is not important that you people need to give each other roses here or need to prove something with something so. Sometimes, it's like a facade. I don't need that, honey. A simple flower, simple petal will do. Just be loyal to me. Whatever was half, let's see in your future. Aquarius. It's you. Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but it's you, okay? With the Temperance, Sagittarius. And it's going to be balancing out situations in the future, possible with the past energy, or someone who is laying the foundation with you in the coming time, okay? So this is about coming together. The love, the expression. This may be even water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, as I said, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I see like it's you. Okay, it's you, and you're going to have I feel like a common ground, common talk kind of energy is coming. You're going to have a stay moment with the person. Let's make it right kind of energy. So whatever is half is going to be balanced out, which means it's going to be full. Aquarius. Aquarius. What is coming for you from the realm? What is the message? There's going to be some assurance coming your way, and as I saw up there, it was 14 was there. You have 14, so balance. You have child energy. It's birth energy. Maybe childbirth is happening for some of you. Whoever is in that phase, whatever was half is going to be full. It's also like, yes, of course, it is connected with pregnancy. So time has come, kind of. And you'll have the birth. It's going to be healthy. So this is also the prediction for you guys, but it's a medical thing. But apart from that, it's Lenormands, they're saying that, okay? A little bit of nervousness does come along, but this is also birth of love, birth of something new in your life, something that is in the starting phase. Consolation. Someone want this chance. Someone want you. They need you actually. It's more of like more from sympathy. It is more like they are saying that I want you, I need you, and I'm picking the digits here, 5066 or just 566. Okay, someone who has everything now, or they have achieved, or they have wandered and they have gained experiences here, and all they want is you. They've become that what they wanted to. Someone is coming with like, I want to give that commitment to you. I want to give that commitment to you. Okay, so that makes sense. These are so many I can take, and you are going to take lover. Okay, interested, and you have faithfulness. This is someone you know, you knew, for some cases, or they are going to be loyal to you. Okay, there is someone entering the picture. If they are already your person, then yes, they're going to be loyal. They're apologizing also. Possible after childbirth is happening and all that concept, if it fits you. Okay, apart from that, whatever was like possible, it was half trust is going to be full. Yes, we can talk about that sense, right? Whatever was half, because your lover is coming, they're singing, they're making that effort here to make you realize something. They're going to be in the picture, they're going to stay. Okay, the one who stays and they are beside you, behind you, whatever, just with you. This is what love is. Love is support, love is boost, love grows, you smile. So there is lover who is coming. Let's see from oracles. So kind of very mystical approaches happening here in your life. Wow. So you called ceremony, invocation. It's about healing, it's about practice, it's about rituals, it's about focus, it's about crystal, it's about what is right. Okay, it's about a lot of things. It's about which word, but what you invoke, what is right, what you need to know. It's about moon phases. Whatever is half is going to be full. So you have green man and synergy. I see shapes. I see like something is magically, whatever this card says in a different field, I don't care. I care about what I see. I see green and I see different shapes. And I see that whatever was not growing is going to be so green that you're unable to see the person who is coming, like camouflaging, but they're there. So you need to figure out like a treasure hunt, okay? Or maybe they are figuring you out. I see like, it's giving me the vibe of like someone who is going to be medicine for you, or you're going to be medicine for them, okay? Now medicine as a natural flow, okay? Something that is there but is not actually there, and you cannot prove that you saw it. Like Life of Pi. So an island which is coming out, but there is no proof because no one captured it. But the person who traveled there, they saw it, and then they came out and they were safe. But it was there. So it's the story that people don't believe, like seeing fairies, but they are there. Aquarius. Like there was a flip I saw. Were you able to see it? There was a flip. We don't know what that card was. Oh my god. So you have Page of Swords energy. All alert, someone enters or the message comes. Come your way, is coming your way, basically. It's your next flight. It is something that be prepared. And you know, even in the Eternal Monarch, they had that sword. So it's about taking a stand for yourself. And someone who sticks with their words. Like, I want to say this. I feel like this is something royal. Like a royal love story or kind of energy that goes or fits here. It's about something that we were supposed to be always together. Okay? Not just in this lifetime, every lifetime. So take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.